So, welcome back to Docs Off Topic. Today I'm going to test out the furnace component of the Megaforge that I built, link up here, for heat treating a sword. Now, I'm going to be melting about 1.5 kilos of aluminium, pouring some parts for the gingery dividing head. So if you remember in the last episode I decided I needed to recast a couple of parts because the sprue was off and it was the wrong diameter. There were a few other little issues with the castings. Well, today's that day. So, let's get the gas bottle hooked up, let's get this thing lit, and let's pour some metal. So, it runs quite comfortably at 0.1 megapascal or about 14 psi, which for something that'll melt a whole heap of aluminium in pretty little time is pretty good. I'll bring it back when the metal's a bit more liquid. So that's what it looks like. It's just getting started. Now we had a little bit of a snafu. So we had a piece break off and land in the bottom. Preheating our ingot mold. Shouldn't take much to heat up. Just getting it a little bit warm so we don't have any water in it. Damn it. There we go. Alright, so we're melting the next batch of ingots. Just about ready to pour that. dross on that one. My microphone fell off. So there was a fair bit of dross in that pour. Alright. Okay, time to pour the last ones. Now, once again, we've had a piece drop past the crucible, which is a little bit annoying. First thing, let's pour our flask. Oh, that is warm. All right, let's break out the last casting. And then we'll clean up this area and call it a day. Right. All right, there we go. Ooh, it's still very hot. Okay, so that takes us through recasting the worm carrier. So that's now ready to be machined. I've got plenty of meat on that to get a good solid bearing journal out of that. So I'm happy with that. The other one that was questionable is part of the tailstock assembly for the dividing head. And again, I had my concerns that this was too small, and so I've redone it. And just for tidiness sake, I recast the rest of the wheel rim so that it takes up a bit less space. Average weight of these is about 300 grams. There's a few smaller ones, so a bit of variety, so it makes it a bit easier, less wasteful when doing castings in future. Still have 3 wheel rims to break down, so that'll happen over the next few weeks. Probably won't cover it. It's not really something that I want to cover. So, from a wood pattern to an aluminium item that's ready for machining, not too bad at all. And I've got a precision turned sprue / gate piece for future use. So, that's where I'm leaving off. If you've enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. Feel free to share on social media, and if you haven't already subscribed, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. This tiny channel is growing, but not growing very fast, and I'd like it to grow a little bit more. So get out to your shop, have some fun, make some parts for your projects, but above all, stay safe, and I'll catch you for the next one.